Harry Potter's third year begins badly even before he returns to Hogwarts. He's spending another miserable summer with the Dursleys. Harry is trying to secretly do his homework, but his aunt and uncle hate magic. One night, Harry accidentally blows up his Aunt Marge after she insults his parents. Terrified that he will be expelled from Hogwarts, Harry runs away from home with his belongings. Instead of being punished, he is picked up by the night bus and taken to the leaky cauldron. There, Harry learns shocking news. A dangerous wizard named Sirius Black has escaped from the wizard prison, Azkaban, and people believe he is coming after Harry. At the leaky cauldron, Harry meets Cornelius Fudge, the Minister of Magic, who strangely does not punish him for using magic. Harry soon reunites with his friends Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. Everyone is talking about Sirius Black. It is said that Sirius was a follower of Lord Voldemort and betrayed Harry's parents, leading to their deaths. Because of this, Hogwarts is put under heavy security. Dark creatures called Dementors, guards of Azkaban, are placed around the school to capture Sirius Black if he appears. On the Hogwarts Express, Harry encounters Dementors for the first time. They cause him to faint and relive the memory of his mother's death. Professor Remus Lupin, the new defense against the dark arts teacher, saves Harry by driving the Dementors away. Harry later learns that Lupin is kind, calm, and very good at teaching practical magic. However, the Dementors deeply affect Harry more than other students, and he feels ashamed about fainting. At Hogwarts, classes resume, and Harry learns new subjects like care of magical creatures with Hagrid as the new teacher. Hagrid introduces the class to Buckbeak, a hippogriff. Draco Malfoy insults Buckbeak and gets injured, leading to Buckbeak being sentenced to death. This greatly upsets Hagrid and Harry. Meanwhile, Harry starts learning about Sirius Black's past. He finds out that Sirius was his father's best friend and was supposed to protect Harry's parents. This makes Harry angry and confused, believing Sirius betrayed his family. As the year goes on, the Dementors continue to haunt Hogwarts, especially during Quidditch matches. During one match, Dementors enter the stadium, causing Harry to faint again and fall from his broom. His broom is destroyed, and Gryffindor loses the match. Professor Lupin later teaches Harry the Patronus charm to defend himself against Dementors. Harry struggles at first, but with practice, he learns to create a Patronus using happy memories of his parents. Meanwhile, strange things begin to happen. Ron's pet rat, Scabbers, goes missing, and Hermione is acting oddly stressed. She is taking many classes at the same time and often disappears mysteriously. Tension grows between the friends when Hermione reports Harry's new fireball broomstick to Professor McGonagall, suspecting it might be cursed. Ron is angry with her, and their friendship becomes strained. As the school year progresses, Harry overhears teachers talking about Sirius Black. He learns that Sirius was blamed not only for betraying the Potters but also for murdering Peter Pettigrew, another friend of Harry's parents. According to the story, Pettigrew died while comforting Sirius. This strengthens Harry's belief that Sirius is evil, and he begins to feel a desire for revenge. The story reaches a turning point when Ron is dragged into the Whomping Willow by a large black dog. Harry and Hermione follow him and discover a secret passage leading to the shrinking shack. There, they come face to face with Sirius Black. At first, Harry wants to kill him. However, things take a surprising turn when Professor Lupin arrives. Instead of attacking Sirius, Lupin calls him an old friend. Lupin reveals the truth. Sirius Black is innocent. The real traitor was Pettigrew, Peter Pettigrew, who is still alive and has been hiding for years as Ron's pet rat, Scabbers. Lupin explains that Pettigrew famed Sirius for his crimes and faked his own death. Sirius transformed into a dog to escape Azkaban and has been trying to protect Harry, not harm him. Pettigrew is forced back into human form and admits his betrayal. Harry is shocked but also feels pity for Pettigrew. Sirius wants to kill him, but Harry stops him, believing that his father would not want murder. They plan to take Pettigrew to the authorities to clear Sirius' name. However, things go wrong. Lupin forgets to take his potion and transforms into a werewolf under the full moon. In the chaos, Pettigrew escapes again. Sirius is injured while protecting Harry from Lupin. Dementors arrived and nearly suck out Sirius's soul. Harry tries to save him but collapses. Harry later wakes up in the hospital wing and learns that Sirius will be taken back to Azkaban and executed. Professor Dumbledore gives Harry and Hermione a hint to use Hermione's secret, a time turner. They travel back in time and relive parts of the night. This time, they save Buckbeak from execution and help Sirius escape by flying away on Buckbeak. Sirius thanks Harry and promises to write to him. Though he cannot live openly, he offers Harry a home someday. In the end, Sirius escapes, but the ministry refuses to accept the truth. Lupin resigns because parents fear having a werewolf teacher. The Dementors are removed from Hogwarts. Harry returns to the Dursleys for the summer, but this time with hope. Sirius sends him a letter and a gift, reminding Harry that he is not alone and that his parents' friends still care for him. The novel ends on a hopeful note. Harry has not only survived another year but also learned the truth about his past, the power of friendship, and the importance of understanding before judging.